Hey there, food lovers. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the delicate art of making a rolled omelette and highlighting 6 common mistakes that can ruin your perfect breakfast. Stick around to learn how to avoid these pitfalls and make a flawless rolled omelette every time. Let's get cooking. Mistake number 1. Using too many vegetables in the omelette. In our recipe, we have used 2 vegetables, a carrot and a bell pepper. However, you can enhance your recipe by adding coriander, onions, and tomatoes. You may use a maximum of 5 vegetables. Please note, too many vegetables will cause the egg to split and make the omelette to lose its consistency. Mistake number 2. Using the edge of the bowl to crack the eggs. This may lead to eggshells falling into the mixture. Instead, using a separate bowl, crack the eggs one by one using a spoon or a fork. Then, transfer the eggs to the recipe bowl. This will help you spot bad eggs as well. Mistake number 3. Using more than 3 eggs at once to make large size omelettes. Make small portions using 2 to 3 eggs for an evenly cooked omelette. Make sure you season your omelette well. Put salt, black pepper, chilies, and any other spices to taste. Beat the egg mixture lightly until there are no egg white strips and the mixture is consistent. Mistake number 4. Using too much heat. Maintain medium-low heat so that the eggs cook slowly without turning brown or getting burnt. Once you start cooking, do not let the egg mixture sit in the pan for more than 2 seconds without moving. Mistake number 5. Using the wrong pan. For a 2 to 3 egg omelette, use an 8-inch non-stick pan to avoid eggs sticking onto the pan. The right size of pan will ensure your eggs don't spread too thin. Mistake number 6. Overcooking. Cooked over low heat, the omelette should not take more than 2 minutes on the stove. Overcooking causes the omelette to harden and become dry. Remove it when it is moist and soft, since eggs continue to cook even when off the stove. Use the right oil and farm fresh eggs for the best result. As you roll the omelette, use a spatula to gently lift and fold it. Once you have rolled it, let it sit for a minute off the heat to allow it to hold its shape. And there you have it, folks. The 6 mistakes to avoid when making a rolled omelette. By steering clear of these common pitfalls, you'll be able to create a beautiful, delicious omelette every time. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more such cooking tips and recipes. Thanks for watching and happy cooking.